Hi viewers, this is Dr.R.Devi. In this video lecturing, let me explain what is human resource management and its objectives. First, let me explain introduction part. Human resource management is concerned with the human beings in an organization. The management of man is a very important and challenging job because of the dynamic nature of the people. It is a process of managing people of an organization with human approach, and also it is a manpower enables manage view the people as an important resource. Next, definition. It is the process of managing people in organizations in a structured and thorough manner. It involves activities such as recruitment, training, compensation, performance management, and employee relations. Let me see what are all the objectives of HRM. First one, work culture. It plays a major role in shaping a positive and supportive work environment which aligns with the organization values and norms. Next, team integration. Human resource management focuses on building a cohesive and effective team where different members work collaboratively. Next, employee motivation. It's an important thing. HRM implements various strategies to keep employees engaged, motivated, and productive. Next, retention. It focuses on retaining talented employees by offering competitive compensation, benefits, and a positive work experience. Thank you all.